Banku fresh.
We feel wow. Me sumo wow. Ilaka energy ya jamai. It is in there. Wow. When it's English and Ghana. Yes. When I wear tree, what sushi? Ejake inna manche denche neje Bukom neighbor. But eke Banku ba.
Oh, I'm with you already.
You are with you already. Don't care Banku ba. You want me kasi ebedi.
Say Banku tilapia.
And then they hear a plate. I bet you was to Ghana for. I said I need to my meeting today. I do want to come back from my area. Me here said we go to buy a number. Yo, is that why Mama Kwaba?
Understand me? You are the watch or the quality. I dey give you food, money, anything you want. I dey do for you. And why if I tell you that I dey like this, what is your problem? Anything you want, I dey do for you. So my wife, me, I dey selling everybody food. I dey selling everybody money. You can ask Tilapia. Me give one food, you grow. I'm not run. They are 30. I'm not run. You know they watch everybody go to school, they grow. Now they give one food. Can you ask me? I'm a great man.
Yes, you are. But one thing that you have done that I'm very excited about is everybody knows you as a boxer. And not long ago, the African Games, we saw your child, your son here, representing Ghana. And you were there to support him alongside all the Ghana people. I saw the energy over there. Now, let me tell you, how many of your children, let me ask you, are into boxing or into, I mean, anything physical like sports? How many of your children are into boxing?
3. Yeah, 3.
3.
Abu Mustafa Alaji.
Okay. Abu Mustafa and Alaji. They are all, I mean, we only know tilapia.
Tilapia, you get the name. Abanya funny film, I don't buy one thing. They can go to plenty, but God will bless anyone can help them.
The family.
Or maybe I'm building the house already, he can cover the top. When the rain is falling, he can cover. I know the name already in Ghana. Yes. Well, you don't need name. Yes. Only his song you want to win the fight. But the name is there. One more two more way to him.
Yes,
it's true.
Go no Muhammad we or say we sit down no we jidin no we making foundation no I learned in ABBA kase be boso until they say no no I na famu de ne ma no na e dey e ba be boso. And before we come back to we go to Tilapia and control for my people. I work here, I sit here every day with them. And this man is called Archives Man. He knows everybody something. When he will be everything.
Sound engineer is a material, but I prefer the Charles Robert Pay remedy. It's a band, oh, you kill any Amapin to the Zoom band. One of the Bukom studio. Same producing, and first, I'm not producer, I'm not producing first some album.
No, Kyle.
Okay, pa. Yeah,
I know
about the studio.
African lady, a chinny, one in the door, Ghana lady, who be a free way, she will be high. My wife got to appoint her, and I will produce my so I've known for the past 20 years. I probably said those times that boy, now people didn't know. Say music, we're very good on music. Very good. So, oh, Bob beat this is here, or people don't see our which our creativity in the room. The other be a call in tea. And they had the pastor who come go about her so. Sometimes said that we cried, I don't know, now we are. But the past 20 years, but who said that music, or said I active, but tell you only be piano. Now the videos are where innovative. No way, welcome.
Ni, but no, who give more?
Bukom, if you need it, I hear
You got an amazing church. Oluga, no, but I got money, Oluga. Share. I mean, say you know about Java, small, by okay. You know about Java.
So Bukom Banku stayed for a long time. From 1999, All Africa Games, they got bronze medal. I think that from that time, Ghanaian people their boxing career, and he's been great with his career, and not only that, with all the other things, so was like music. It amazes me how a boxer adds music to his career and achieves good successfully. And he's held it throughout the years. And also, it's a blessing. Say, obey one profession and one career and a talent and we're fulfilling successfully. Now, we're back to the back. Now, we're the same thing. And that's what is, if you ask me, that's what is helping Tilapia. And if you see the massive support that Tilapia now, all Africa Games here, you can see that most of them is coming from the father. And I think that when all the 13 children I think that they still have to do a lot of respect. Because Ghanaians love you, genuine, and we pray that you continuously impact your children, Tilapia, and all the other people. I'm a no-boxing Obawa, one or more boxers, champions.
What is One day. Come also there. Okay, can you overcome?
Maybe your cars is here. We talked about say or what a lot of wives with me taking care of Obia, 18 also taking care of Modia, then only problem. So the same two men manifest. Only sika men require extra curriculums. Because who was Canada or better was because what he's saying is that because Otimi and Ascendian in now feel time your money bounce says sika 4 years and won't some complaining that. It's more money is kind of more up and down, more basic. Thank you.
Kobe. I'm coming on the idea.
Maybe put to again.
I'm from Bamuza. I'm
Vibration of backstage.
Kobe Pisca.
I'm a Pisca.
Sorry.
I'm a say, or can send me a move of or can say already, or building and danish. I can say, in him saying you do show if you are not be or how to assassin. But in tears, you say, what cricket our foundation into the manner. Listen, Nana. Obama just say foundation and then we see so. Or not build a stadium. It's my man and banner there riding. It's that is a very big one kind. And I told me the last one the mechanic said. The money in which me making sure that why identify or from the box. The shoes half of which I and then Baba I'm sure so beside where we are. Very proud to say, Papa, and I said, Ghana for Bukom Banku GD in our no. Sabi, you are, and maybe you will come here, comment to one legacy.
Wow, I come on, I am at Tilapia Quaba.
My name is Roma Kamoko, aka Bukom. This is Nanama and Bukom. Refreshingly is down. Keep watching. Keep watching on what TV. It's the best solution of Ghana. Say something for them.
If I have to say something, I'll say something for you. Listen to me. Today on this show, you know, with children. Oh. Today, I have the children, the father, the grandfather, the everything for the Ghana. Like I said, from here, I'm going to Gamashi. 7 of them are not.